Hi, so welcome to another video. So today I'm going to talk about strong acids and strong bases. So the formulas that you'll be using is pH equals the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration. Another one that we use is the pOH equals the negative log of the hydroxide ion concentration. So you can see the pattern here. P is just representing negative log. So negative log of the OH for pOH and negative log of the H for pH. So another one is pH plus pOH equals 14. So this is derived from the dissociation constant of water. So that's 10 to the minus 14, and that means that your pH plus your pOH equals 14. So that's your scale there. The other one is your OH ion concentration, and your hydroxide ion concentration would equal 10 to the minus 14. So they're the equations that we're going to be using. Now, simply put, using a calculator can sometimes be harder for these questions. Depending on how the question's asked, you may find a calculator is the way to go, but you can just use your log rules to switch between them. So if I have something that's 10 to the power of 2, the negative log of that would be 2. So 10 to the power of minus 2, the negative log would be 2. If I have something that's 10 to the minus 14, then that would equal 14. Okay, so just the value up there, leave the negative behind, and that is the value when you're switching between them. So let's do a couple of examples so you can see how this works. So this question here, we're told the OH minus equals 10 to the minus 8. Now I want to find out what the pOH is, what the pH is, and what the H plus concentration is. So this is what the question's asking me. So I'm going to show you how to quickly go between them all. So if my OH minus is 10 to the minus 8, my pH equals negative log of my hydroxide concentration. So it's negative log of 10 to the minus 8. Now you can put this in your calculator, and what you will get is your pOH equals 8. Okay, so it is just that value that's up the top that you end up with. So if my pOH equals 8, I can put it into this to find my pH. So pH equals 14 minus 8. So that would give me 6. So the pH value is 6. The pOH value is 8. And last of all, I wanted to work out the hydrogen ion concentration, and that would be 10 to the minus 6. So I can determine that from the fact that my pH equals negative log of my hydrogen ion concentration, and the pH is 6 equals the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration, and then you rearrange and you get 10 to the minus 6. Okay, so that's the long way of solving it out. So let's do another example, and I'm just going to switch between those values there. So this question here, so B, I've got H plus equals 10 to the minus 3. So I want to find the OH minus this time as well. So all the possible values. So if my hydrogen ion concentration equals 10 to the minus 3, using what we did just on the last question, my pH equals 3. Just that value up the top. Therefore, my pOH equals 14 minus 3, 11. My hydrogen ion hydroxide concentration, equals 10 to the minus 11. So they're very, very easy to switch between because they're logs. Okay, so hydrogen ion 10 to the minus 3, therefore my pH equals 3. My pOH would be 14 minus 3, giving me 11. And my hydroxide ion concentration would be 10 to the minus 11. So let's do one more example. So with this last one, so C, pH equals 9, and I want to switch between these ones here. So if my pH equals 9, my hydrogen ion concentration would be 10 to the minus 9. My pOH would be 14 minus 9, so it'd be 5. And then my hydroxide ion concentration would be 10 to the minus 5. So very simple to switch between strong acids, strong bases when you've got your pH, your pOH, your hydrogen ion concentration, and your hydroxide ion concentration. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.